Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from grape juice at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is clean and sanitized. We'll cover the simple steps to transform ordinary grape juice into delicious wine, making this a fun and rewarding project. You'll learn how easy it is to create your own batches, saving money and impressing your friends with your homemade vintages. To begin your winemaking adventure, you'll need a few key items. Start with 1 gallon of 100% grape juice, ensuring it has no preservatives. Next, acquire a packet of specialized wine yeast. Avoid using bread yeast. You'll also need about 1 to 1.5 pounds of granulated sugar. For equipment, a clean 1-gallon fermentation jug, an airlock to release carbon dioxide, and a siphon for transferring the wine are essential. Once your ingredients and equipment are ready, it's time for fermentation. Pour the grape juice into your sanitized fermentation vessel, then add the sugar and stir until it dissolves. Next, activate your wine yeast according to its package instructions and add it to the juice. Secure an airlock on top to let gases escape. Place your fermenter in a warm, dark spot, around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the yeast work its magic for about 1 week. After fermentation is complete and the wine has cleared, it's time for bottling. Carefully siphon the wine into clean, sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Use a corking machine to seal each bottle with a new cork. Store your finished wine horizontally in a cool, dark location, ideally between 55 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. While some wines can be enjoyed after 3 months, many, especially reds, will develop richer flavors with 6 months or more of aging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.